In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate p-value in Excel. If you need to compare two sets of data and quickly find the p-value, Excel gives you a very simple way to do it with a built-in formula. In this example, we're using the t-test function, which is commonly used when you want to test whether two groups are significantly different from each other. To get started, click into the cell where you want the p-value to appear. Then enter the formula equals t.test, followed by your two data ranges in parentheses. For this example, the formula is equals t.test. Open parenthesis B2 through B7, comma, C2 through C7, comma, 2, comma, 2, close parenthesis. Let's quickly break down what that means so it's easier to understand when you use it in your own spreadsheet. The first range, B2 to B7, is your first set of values. The second range, C2 to C7, is your second set of values. The first two in the formula tells Excel to return a two-tailed p-value, which is what you'll usually use when you want to test for any difference between the two groups, rather than a difference in only one direction. The second two tells Excel to perform a two-sample equal variance t-test. Once you've entered the formula, press enter and Excel will instantly calculate the p-value for those two data sets. This saves a lot of time compared to doing the calculation manually, and it also helps reduce mistakes. If you have additional rows of similar comparisons in your worksheet, you don't need to type the formula again and again. Just select the cell with the formula, move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell, and drag it downward. Excel will automatically copy the formula down and adjust the row references for the remaining data. That's especially helpful when you're working with multiple pairs of data and want to calculate p-values for each one quickly and consistently. Just make sure your data is arranged properly so that each formula is comparing the correct ranges. And that's all there is to it. By using the t-test function and dragging the formula down, you can calculate p-values in Excel in just a few seconds. It's a simple, efficient method that works well for repeated statistical comparisons in a spreadsheet.